Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can access the saved passwords in your Google Chrome. If you have saved passwords while entering your login information in Google Chrome, but you don't know how to access them, this video is for you. Now, let's follow the following steps. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then, you need to click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then you can simply select and choose the password and autofill option. You need to hover your cursor over it and you can see the Google Password Manager. Click on the Google Password Manager. Now, all your saved passwords will be displayed here. For example, I have saved passwords from these two particular websites. Now, to see the password of any of the websites, simply click on the arrow button. You might need to enter your workspace password or your security authentication. Now, here you can see the website name, your username, and your password as well. You can click on this particular I button to show the particular password. You can copy it from this button as well, or also you can create a note by clicking on edit. Now you can also change the username, password, and also add a note. However, do note that changing any of the credentials here will not affect the credentials on this particular sites. This is only for your reference and it will only change what you can see, not the actual website. So, I hope now you have learned how to view the stored passwords in your Google Chrome. If you really enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment on the video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.